Hi, my name is Fernando Cortés Ortiz, and this is the topic, the dialect. The dialects are linked to linguistic variety and thus to linguistic diversity, although dialects are often regarded as kind of lower order or simple system than a language. Dialects are in fact particular ways of speaking or writing a given language. What is the characteristic? It is also interesting to establish and know that there are usually a series of criteria to differentiate a dialect. These include the fact that it does not have a written tradition. It does not have many grammatical differences with respect to the dominant language. The dialect speakers do not have a nation of their own, and its speakers are usually few in number. Three criteria are generally taken into account when considering whether two language systems are dialects or independent language. Number one, the dialects must be mutually intelligible without prior learning. Second, they must be part of a politically occupied territory. And three, they must have a common rights system. What about the dialect in Colombia? Colombia has different dialects as a result of its complex geographic marked by three branches of the Andes mountain range that result in little access to communication between the different regions. The Andean dialects are distinct for any Spanish speaker from the coastal dialects of the Caribbean and the Pacific. Broadly speaking, the two Colombian Maco dialects, the coastal and the inland, show parallels with the southern and northern dialects of Spain, respectively. What are the examples? From these two dialectal superzones, the following division can be made: dialect costeño, bogotano, o rolo, cundiboyacense, paisa, bayuno, pastuso, santandereano, tolimense, llanero, amazónico y por último isleño. Here are some examples. Berraco refers to angry. It is used all over the country. 8 días, used instead of a week, for example, hace 8 días, 8 days ago, or dentro de 8 días, in a week. Parcero refers to amigo, also used as a quote in the Andean region, original from the Paisa region, and then almost all over the country. And this is my work. Thank you so much.